Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna learn about how to click these two pictures. They're good, isn't it? So, for the first pic, you're gonna need some coins. Now, I would like to suggest you should have some foreign coins actually. Like me, I have some coins from Holland, some from UAE. So, it's good to have coins like this. They're good in looking actually. That's the main point. So, you're gonna need some coins for this, and what do you need? You need a camera too. Yeah, it can be a phone camera, it can be a normal camera, anything, any camera you can. So let's see how you're gonna click it. I have arranged these coins here. You can arrange it in any way you want to. Now the next thing what you need is this a phone, and where you gotta have to have a pattern, a multicolor pattern, so that when you just put it on here like this, so you could have some textures like this. So the light is falling on the coins and it's giving some beautiful textures. Now let's just switch off the lights and see how it goes. So you could see I have the texture here, I have the coins here, and this is the way you're gonna hold it, and you gotta click some pictures here. Now for the second picture, you gotta need a light ball like this, and you gotta have any kind of Bluetooth speaker you want to. So the main thing about this picture, you're gonna need a shutter speed of 2 seconds and f-stop or aperture of 8 to 10 and ISO 100. That will be good enough to click pictures like this. Now let me show you how you're gonna do this. Let's just put up. Yeah, see, you can see the light here, and just click on the pictures and just 1 2 3 and go for this.